So I'm just going to demonstrate how to use Lead Squad for managing your sales. So this is your dashboard where you have the lead. It shows your name, the owner of the lead, the source, and how old the lead is here. Lead details are here, like the name and the source and his email and phone number. So say you call them and you get some response, whatever it is. You can add the activity here. Could be you sent an email or email sent or had a phone call and things like that, and you can just update it so that you have a track of what's happening, and you can remember it when you follow up next time. And there's also a note that you can add saying whatever about the prospect you can add here, and so that you don't remember anything like he told he'll get back tomorrow, day after, or he wanted a discount, he'll ask his parents, whatever, you can add it here. And so here is the place where you can send an email within the Lead Square dashboard. So this is the email window. So you can type whatever subject you want here in the subject field, and we already have a library, email library, which is made for this purpose. So here you can go here and search for the first one, the first response. So that's the one which we send for send to every lead after a call. So that has all the details. So it automatically picks up the lead's name and your number, which is somewhere here. Yes, here, and hit on send now, and the email goes to him. I'll close it now. So, and then say if he says like get back to me on tomorrow, so you can post this thing here, like follow up and tomorrow and the date, and so by tomorrow you'll have the task emailed to you saying that you have a follow up to be done. And in case he doesn't pick a call, right? So then what we do is we have another template for we send an SMS, and we so basically if okay, before that, if the prospect was warm and he shows some interest, then we convert the stage, right? So we change the stage here. So the prospect becomes a opportunity, right here. In case he doesn't pick the call, right, then we transfer that stage to call back later, for example. In case he is not interested, or no, then we either put them in invalid or disqualified. Based on invalid is when he says I didn't inquire, of the phone number is wrong and things like that. Disqualified is when you couldn't satisfy them and they want to drop out. And obviously customer, when they pay for it and they convert a sale, and then you make them a customer here. So say uh, yeah, your prospect did not pick your call, right? So now his change stage becomes call back later. You just change it here, and then what we do is, okay, I think we automatically trigger a SMS as soon as it becomes a callback later, or you have an SMS option here where you can send a again, it's a template saying that we tried reaching you on blah 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 this number, and see here it's there, right? We tried reaching you on card number because whatever, please call back on, okay, this is your private personal number that needs to change. Then it gives your name so that they'll call you back. So this SMS needs to be sent. I don't think it's automatically triggered. It can be done, but you can send an SMS now. So yeah, and then obviously update the task, notes, whatever activity based on whatever you did right now, so that like tomorrow when you log in back to the dashboard, you will clearly know whom to call, when to call, what to talk, and everything. So pretty simple, not very complicated.